Thank you so much for joining us right now. I want to talk to you a little bit about child abuse during this pandemic. A lot of isolation going on. You have parents out of work, a very stressful time. What advice do you have to offer?
I think you're right, Roseanne. We do expect child abuse to go up. Everything we're getting from national offices, state offices is saying expect an increase, and it for a number of reasons. One is the kids aren't in school. Teachers are some of our primary reporters of abuse before it goes too far. Obviously, kids aren't in school; they're being isolated. Secondly, what you led with, the amount of stress that families are under, from economic stress to the fear of being ill to being isolated. Kids are stressed, parents are stressed, and so it's kind of could be a bad mixture with that. And the third is for the sexual abuse issues. When kids are really isolated, that's when they tend to be more in danger.
Tell us what advice do you offer families and parents out there right now? What can
Well,
we
I
do
think
to help
one of the
prevent,
main things to prevent it,
to
one
keep
of
it
the
from?
main things is even though we do have to keep our distance, we don't need to be isolated. You need to reach out for help. You need to start understanding the signs that when your kids are grumpy, when they're stressed, um, and you get stressed, it's a volatile mixture. So, you can go on the internet, get lots of self help for those kind of things. The United Way 211 is a good resource to call for a whole host of other ways to be able to cope during this. Reach out to family and friends. I also think one of the things that's incredibly important is for us to be watching out for our neighbors as well. And if we see something, report it. Law enforcement and Department of Human Resources, they're still actively investigating child abuse at this point.
And your office is still open, technically.
Well, we are. We're kind of running skeleton staff. Um, there's law enforcement, the Mobile Police Department, Sheriff's Office, Pritchard Police, the District Attorney's Office, DHR. Um, and we're kind of minimizing the contact that we have with people. And so they're prioritizing cases, but we're still going. Our therapists are doing a lot of teletherapy, phone therapy, those kind of things, still getting things prepared for court to prosecute offenders.
Okay. Is there anything you'd like to add?
You know, I, I really hope that people will continue to report. People will look for them. Look at ways you can help out your neighbors, your family members, um, because we know through hurricanes, through BP oil spill, that child abuse does increase during times of great stress, and we've never seen anything like this before.
Okay, very good. Well, thank you so much for talking with us. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you for looking out for
Yeah,
us.
and stay in touch with me. I was glad that Elaine reached out, but certainly stay in touch.
We sure will. And as we get more numbers, I'll keep you up to date.
Please do.
All
Okay.
right. Thank you
Thank you
much.
so much.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye.